Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to discuss chapter 10 of The Intelligent Investor. Before starting this video, if you want to support the channel, I suggest you hit the subscribe button. If you want to purchase The Intelligent Investor, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. If you want to trade yourself, there's a link to subscribe to Robinhood, which is a platform that allows you to trade commission-free. And if you subscribe, you will get a free stock up to a value of $400. Without further ado, let's dive into the chapter. In chapter 10 of The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham discusses the role of investment advisors and how the intelligent investor should deal with them. Benjamin Graham lists all categories, or the main categories, of financial advisors, laying out advantages and disadvantages. So the first type of investment advisor is the investment counsel firm. They are firms who engage in counseling and managing the client's investments. The advantages is that they shield the principal value over the years. They produce acceptable returns over the years, and also they protect the customers or the clients from costly mistakes. The disadvantages, on the other hand, is that they might be costly. The second type of advisor are financial services. Financial services are organizations that send out uniform bulletins or newsletters about individual issues as well as stock market in general. Many times they also answer to specific questions sent by their customers. Some of the best known financial services are Moody's Investment Service and Standard & Poor's. So the advantages of these types of organizations is that they provide useful information and offer suggestions, and they are also cheaper than investment counsel firms. The problem with them, according to Benjamin Graham, is that their forecasts have no real significance because they might be right as well as they might be wrong, just like everyone else. Therefore, the intelligent investor will not do is buying and selling only on the basis of recommendations received from a financial service. The third type of investment advisor is a brokerage house. So in this type of structure, which are organizations or companies that are members of the New York Stock Exchange, and they execute buying and selling orders. So there are different types of advisors in these companies. One of them is a customer's broker. So this type of broker is an individual of good character and considerable knowledge of securities. Another type of advisor that you may find in a brokerage house is a financial analyst or security analyst. This type of advisor goes through detailed studies of individual securities, develops careful comparisons of various issues in the same field, and forms an expert opinion on the safety and attractiveness or the intrinsic value of these issues. Unlike a customer's broker, they don't have to pass an examination. However, financial analysts have generally extensive business school training and a lot of work experience. An important step was taken in 1963 when they created the Chartered Financial Analyst, or CFA, which is basically a certification for financial analysts or security analysts. To receive the title of CFA, you now have to pass many examinations and meet other tests of fitness, such as having worked in a financial position for at least 4 years. So the advantages of these types of advisors is that they have considerable knowledge of securities, especially chartered financial analysts. The disadvantages is that they are paid based on commissions. Therefore, they might be speculation-minded. Therefore, you need to set forth your generally conservative strategy on investment in order to make sure that they stick with it. The basic idea of the chapter, as it's laid out by Benjamin Graham, is that when you deal with advisors and you rely mostly on others' advice in handling your funds, then you must either limit yourself to conservative forms of investment Or, if you don't want to limit yourself to conservative forms of investment, you must know the advisor really well, on an intimate level, or at least have the expertise to verify his suggestions. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye everyone.